Anyway, the name of the company is FridayParts. Friday, like the day, parts. I guess it's FridayParts.com. I'll get it exactly and put it on for you. I see these, and I've been looking at these from a different source entirely. Oh my gosh, they're great, and it's the simplest thing in the world. It's just a mirror. Fantastic. You see, nice mirror. Okay, and they have these two. They look like suction cups, but trust me, they're not suction cups. Watch. Exactly. Yeah, they're magnetic. Yeah. They're fantastic. So we're going to go outside, Diane and I, my camera woman, we're going to go outside and try these on the tractor and see if they are as good as I think they're going to be. And this is the mirror that came with the tractor. Now it's a good mirror. It's a good sized mirror, lots of adjustments and so on, but it's mounted on a rod. I took the bolt out, the nut off the bottom that secures it. So it's mounted on this long rod like this, you see. Now, if you know anything about tractors, you know that anything attached to a tractor vibrates. So anything attached to a tractor with a long rod vibrates even more. So one of the first problems is that the mirror vibrates a great deal. And that creates two problems. First of all, it makes it hard to see. And secondly, things tend to fall apart. I'm going to give this a try. And I'm thinking somewhere in this area up here, I want to get one crack of this. I won't be able to get it off. I'm thinking somewhere up in this area right about there and like that. Should work. Okay, so now I can get up in the tractor. I can adjust this up and down, left and right, and hopefully be able to adjust this. I can even move, I just realized I can actually even move the base a little bit if need be. Actually, I could mount that higher too, Diana. Look at this. This is the first time we've done this, so just kind of playing here a little bit. I could even put this way up here. It wants to be on the tractor, so that goes like that. Yeah, that would be good too, even up there. And now I got full adjustment, left and right, up and down, tilt, everything. Look at that. Now, as I'm talking, I'm thinking about how good this is. Same size mirror, everything is exactly the same. Same thing. And that will still work. Just a matter of adjusting the mirror so that you can see past the rear tire. So I think it's pretty good. And in the package, there are, of course, two of these. There's one for the other side too. I'm going to put the other on the other side, and then you take a picture of it, Dan. Hang on just a sec. Okay, anyway, I think it's a great idea. So I'm going to put a link on below for this company. And again, if you have any kind of machinery, if you're in the excavation, maintenance, gardening, landscaping, or just a guy like me with toys to play around his property, they have everything. And this I think this is fantastic. This is the quality of the equipment they sell. And then I think it's going to be a great company and do really well. All right, you take care. Alec Pierce at the ranch. Bye-bye.